I'm falling in love with nature. The trees, the flowers, the weeds too. All are blessings for me and you. Nature's heart is packed with love. From the tiny snail to the turtle dove. From the soil that feeds and nurtures us. Having heaven on earth, such a plus. Holding her in my hand, a little leaf, a grain of sand, fills my being with such love. Highest vibration from above. Thanks, Mother Nature, for me taking birth, for all you grow upon our earth, for all the food, the plants and flowers. I could sit on you for hours and hours and hours. Walking through forests tall I see, trees waving in the breeze, birds singing freedom to fly. Wish it was me, I won't lie. Thanks, Mother Nature, for me taking birth, for all you grow upon our earth, for all the food, the plants and flowers. I could sit on you for hours and hours and hours. I cry sometimes, as you know, seeing your beautiful inflow, seeing with eyes of pure delight. You're always showing beautiful sights. We are part of Mother Nature, same as the trees and flowers. We are responsible to